Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Front Bumper for Polaris RZR 200 EFI. Install time for this item is around 15 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project: a power drill and a T40 Torx bit. So grab the tools needed and let's get started. Step 1. Remove factory hardware. To start this project, you will need a power drill and a T40 Torx bit to remove the factory bolts. There is one bolt on each side of the factory plastic bumper and two located on the bottom. Once all of the hardware has been removed, set it aside. You will need it for the next step. Step 2. Align the bumper and thread hardware. It's now time to align the DRT Motorsports bumper. Once all of the bolt holes are lined up, you can begin installing the hardware. Thread the hardware in by hand, making sure the bumper stays properly aligned. Designed to match the factory lines of the 2022 plus Polaris RZR 200, this high-strength steel bumper adds clean styling and serious front-end protection. It features mounting points for aftermarket lighting and includes bright anodized aluminum mesh inserts that contrast with the semi-gloss black powder coat finish. The removable mesh panels also allow easy color customization with paint or powder coat. Step 3. Fasten hardware. With the hardware hand tight, you can now use your power drill and T40 Torx bit to fully fasten the hardware. Congratulations, you have now installed your new DRT Motorsports Front Bumper for Polaris RZR 200 EFI. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.